initial approach fix, it's always going to put in the full procedure because it expects for you to fly the full procedure. So there's a VNAV hitting.
All right.
Showing you it's getting ready to start slowing myself down on the descent. So that way,
The map is useless in that small a screen.
Yeah. And there, it's getting ready to grab the glide path between whatever we set there.
All right, so you're coming on back in with all the
In
problems.
the habit of, oh well, when I bust out of the clouds, I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Because then you're going to start setting up for that. That way, at the end, it's not rushed.
Okay.
Enable your VNAV.
Okay.
So VNAV is now selected.
Okay,
It's going to the issues. Before, I'm just like, oh, I got plane, you know. So why you fly it that way? Because if you have a solid basis in...
They point right there.
Okay.
You can set either by that thing.
What is pushing in on this button? 3,000, we'll just use that for our intercept the glide path, and then it's going to activate the VNAV down.
Okay,
On our
so
heading that we need, or inbound on our inbound course, cross over that fix, and then
whatever it is, to go overlay it. And I see that coming in now.
So we're at our first dot.